How to use GrowthBar SEO tool properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. GrowthBar is a powerful SEO tool, but beginners often make mistakes that cost them time and traffic. Most people get this wrong, but here's why proper use is critical. The first mistake is ignoring keyword research basics. GrowthBar suggests keywords automatically, but blindly following suggestions can lead to low-value traffic. Always check search volume, competition, and relevance to your target audience before adding keywords to content. Another common error is neglecting content outlines. GrowthBar can generate blog outlines, but beginners sometimes skip them and dive straight into writing. Outlines provide structure into your logical flow and help your AI-generated content rank better in search engines. A third mistake is overloading pages with keywords. Beginners often stuff keywords, thinking more is better. This can hurt rankings and readability. Focus on natural inclusion and semantic variations instead. For example, instead of repeating email marketing software 10 times, use tools for email campaigns or best email platforms. Many also overlook tracking SEO performance. GrowthBar offers analytics for ranking and traffic, but beginners rarely monitor these metrics. Regularly check how your pages perform, then adjust keywords, headings, or meta descriptions to improve results. Finally, some users ignore link building opportunities. GrowthBar identifies potential backlinks, but beginners often skip outreach. Effective link building boosts domain authority and SEO rankings faster than content alone. To use GrowthBar effectively, research keywords thoroughly, generate structured outlines, use keywords naturally, monitor performance, and pursue backlinks. Avoiding these mistakes ensures your SEO strategy is smarter, faster, and more likely to deliver measurable traffic growth.